Duh, Hayward.
I didn't even know.
I didn't.
Hi, YouTube.
I never know.
Look it up. Which one? The one that don't control the outside light.
So what is the address? 191, 194?
191.
Off season. Oh my god, I messed up.
191.
Sleep. Oh my god.
191.
Keep both. Oh, I was gonna say keep both of them. Yeah, come out the front though. This is don't work. Yeah, come on. You cut that. No, cut that one off. Cut that one off. No, come on out the door. Leave the door open because you have to go back through it. Come on back. Come on. Come on. Shut the door. Shut the door. Now see that working. Knock the other switch on.
Like I ain't gotta hand it to the left of me. Woo! Yeah, Eli, why you just at me?
You know what?
That was it. Cut the other one.
I'll turn on the volume.
Now you know what?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
What you gonna use? Turn it on. It's working.
Did that yellow light come on?
Did the light come on?
No.
Cut the other switch on. Let me see. Cause them plug lights don't work out here. I don't even know. I ain't never used them.
Like I ain't gotta hand it to the just at me. Woo! Yeah, Eli, why you just at me?
You know,
Like I ain't gotta hand it to the left of me.
I had to fart.
I used to say make a run for it.
Yeah, she can sing.
Well,
Yes.
yeah. Put your go.
Shit is so stinky.
Don't pick up this darn broom.
You stink.
You's a liar.
No, I don't know if you stink yet, but you probably do. Because lately you've been stirring like poo-poo.
Yes. She's been farting all day
Have
long.
an accident. And her britches.
And I didn't. I just been farting.
No. Oh, she had a...
I just been farting. No doodle. I drink milk. I fart. I cheese. I fart.
You had a lot of gas.
Yeah.
I eat cheese a lot and I fart too.
That means you like cook tolerant.
You know, RJ got it bad.
For real?
The green little boy, he got it bad.
I'm gonna try some of that lactose milk.
I want milk so bad. Yeah, people try that.
I'm gonna try it.
Oh, I want milk.
You need some milk, boy.
The silk almond ain't good. That ain't good one.
Walking it far. I was like,
That silk almond good.
you like it?
You need some
I
milk.
like it. And I don't like milk either, but that's the milk I drink.
You drink that one?
Shoot, that's the only one.
That's the one I don't like. It's sweet. So this box is.
Let's get it, boy. You need some milk.
No, we ain't ready. This thing ain't half finished. Y'all just love to light fires, I see. Get that broom and sweep this stuff toward me.
That's what Mom was saying earlier. Dang, I like that thing on fire.
Okay.
Just like
Back there.
John was the fireman.
Yes, he was when y'all do.
He set that fuel.
Now Justin is the fireman. King trying to do
Oh, yeah, he want to be one now.
it. Yeah, get beat up.
John done set that dog on. Tissue. Why you gonna set the tissue on fire?
Okay.
Ooh, he got a beating so
So y'all
bad.
sure like fire.
Ha. Need some milk. Boy,
Matches.
boy, what are those,
He
boy?
was walking, throwing them.
Yeah.
Bubba said, John, don't do that.
Okay.
We got one. You ready?
No, don't do it hard. Just keep it to the end.
Bubba said, they look back, the whole field on fire. I said, ooh, wait.
Yep. This is wet.
Now, they went ahead and cleared that field for Granddaddy. They cleared it for him.
Black darn banging. Oh, bad behind turn. Hey.
They cleared it.
Bubba, John set the fire. Bubba bust the water line.
Oh, yeah,
And then
that
just
water
tell
line.
Granddaddy, oh Granddaddy, you can take me home now. He tried to cover up the water with dirt. Daddy said that old scoundrel. I remember that.
Oh,
He out there chopping the water line. Daddy said that's
Granddad ready to go.
that's why the little scoundrel wanted to go home.
Oh, God.
I said, boy, this time he get into something.
You are so bored out there. It's like, what are we going to do today?
Yeah, y'all was
Oh.
Boy, Y'all need some milk.
We just gonna go outside and try to find something.
Oh, we're gonna kill that bitch. We try to figure out why the dirt was wet. When that thing started coming, that thing was crazy.
Granddad, just fix that.
Boy, oh boy, da boy, 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 boy.
Yeah.
Get them this year. Christmas ones they have for $1.
I want to stick them in there, stick them all the way across. The Dollar Tree got it,
That's
right?
why I picked Dollar Tree. I ain't want that for Halloween.
No.
I don't do Halloween. When I say I'm not turning my light on, somebody knock on my door, they could be real candy. Do you see my front light on? Don't come knock on my door for no darn candy.
Speaking of candy, I swore she gonna give us that candy.
What candy?
Huh?
What?
For Halloween?
Yeah. I'm thinking about it. You ain't gonna be there for Halloween on Monday. I can get you that weekend.
I'm coming in.
That weekend. The weekend of Halloween. Halloween on Monday.
Halloween on Monday this year?
I think that's a teacher work day. Last year we went to Halloween.
And
Another yellow jacket. You love us.
You was right in there.
You love us. I don't love it. So,
Too much salt. Can't delete the pill. That's too much sauce.